Hello everyone, in this quick tip I'm going to show you how to install the new preview version of Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11. And before we actually begin the video, I want to tell you what this is about. So you know that Windows Subsystem for Linux is around since Windows 10, and the way you would install it normally on Windows 10, which also works on Windows 11, is to enable it as an optional feature. The problem with this is that for Microsoft to give you a new functionality, you would basically need to install the newest build of Windows 10 or Windows 11. So they decided for Windows 10 to also offer a newer way to install it using the Microsoft Store. So instead of making it an optional feature, you can get now a preview version of WSL from the store, install it, and every time Microsoft brings something new to the table, they will actually update the application in the store. Now with that being said, the normal version still works on Windows 11, so you can follow, for example, one of my previous videos about WSL 2 on Windows 10 if you want to install the stable one, but I highly recommend that you test the preview version. For me, at least for my simple usage, I did not find anything wrong with it. Now we can actually begin. And for WSL, one thing that you will actually need is to enable the virtual machine platform feature. This is still needed since WSL uses virtualization to run your Linux distributions. So after you install this feature, you can go to the Microsoft Store and search for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And this is what you need at the moment because it is in preview, but I am pretty sure when it will be released officially, so not a preview version, the installation instructions should be the same. So just go in the app and install it. Now of course we have to wait a little time to download it and to install it. And when you see open, it means that it's installed. The problem is you can't do anything with it yet, so makes no sense to open it, because besides this feature, besides this app, we also need a Linux distribution. So let's download and install Ubuntu. And let's get Ubuntu 20.04, for example. Let's install it, and for this one you will wait a little more for the download phase since it's a little bigger. So Ubuntu has been downloaded. Now I can press open here. So it will take some time to install the actual distribution files after we click open. And now we have to enter a new username for our Linux distribution, like always. And the password. And at this time now we have our distribution ready to go, and in my opinion it was much more easy than installing it as an optional feature. If you want to learn how to use some basic Linux commands and some information about Linux, I also have an introductory course for people that mostly know Windows and also want to learn Linux. You can find it in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it useful, then please leave a like and share it. And consider subscribing to get notifications about new videos from my channel.